Hi, I'm a high school student helping my family manage rental properties. Today, I'm going to share a quick tip on how to show a rental unit without having to meet the tenant in person. Here's how we do it. We place a lockbox on the doorknob and put the key inside. You can get one from Amazon or Home Depot. You could also use a smart lock that opens with a code. Both are affordable and work really well. I've added links in the description if you want to check them out. Before giving out the code, we have the renter fill out a quick pre-screening form. If they pass that step, we ask them to send a photo of their government-issued ID and tell us the date and time they'd like to view the unit. Once we have that information and feel comfortable, we give them the lockbox code. We never share the code with anyone who doesn't meet our basic qualifications. You can usually get a good sense of someone just by texting or talking briefly on the phone. This self-guided tour method has worked really well for us. Of course, some people still prefer an in-person showing, and that's totally fine too. One tip, check the unit regularly during showings. We've had someone crank up the heat and leave it running. Also, change the lockbox code often to prevent unauthorized access. What do you think? Would you try self-showings for your rentals? If this was helpful, follow me for more behind-the-scenes tips from a team managing rental properties. Thanks for watching!